Happy Sunday, everyone. Blessings from Jamaica. Now, the Olympics has concluded, and we have some facts to share with you. First up, we want to tell you thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting. It was so much more fun with you on board with Destination Jamaica. Now, let's get into the facts. Jamaica has the 21st spot on the medal count, and that's out of over 200 countries, right? So that's pretty good for a small island of approximately 3 million people, coming 21st out of 200 countries, well, more than 200 countries, as it relates to the medal count. So we have 4 gold, 1 silver, and 4 bronze, right? And we get these medals from the 100 meter, which we got 3, the 200 meter, which we got 2, the 110 meter hurdles, which we got 2, and the relays, which we also got 2. So for the relays, that's the 4x100 and 4x400 for women. Now, as it relates to those who medal, who run the track and got the medals for us, they are Elaine Thompson, she got 3 medals. Shelly-ann Fraser, she got 2. Sherika Jackson also got 3. This includes the medals that they got for the relays. There's Hans the Parchment, he got 1. Ronald Levy got 1. Brianna Williams, which was on the relay team, she got 1. We also have Candice McLeod, Janive Russell, and Ronisha McGregor, which were on the 4x400 relay team with Sherika Jackson. So, as it relates to some of the history-making moments that we had in Olympics, the first thing to know is that Jamaica is the only country who had a double sprint champion. Jamaica is also the only country with a gold medalist on the track that got a gold medal in Rio. We have the most total, well, the second most total athletics medals. No one has more gold medals on the track than Jamaica. And per capita, Jamaica has the most medals. So how you feeling about all of that? Anything interesting that you want to share about Jamaica as it relates to the Olympics? Let us know in the comments. Share the facts, share the knowledge, because Olympics has truly been something phenomenal for us. And not just for Jamaicans, but for Caribbeans, because our brothers and sisters, they have made their own history in countries such as Bahamas, right? Want to big them up, Caribbean folks, big up on yourself, because on a large. Now, thank you so much wherever you are in the world tuning in. We appreciate you. We have much more coming on our channel. For those who are asking where to watch the races, we cannot post it on our channel due to restrictions that YouTube implemented. And, you know, enough freeway content, so kind of share with people them thing like that. It's well protected. And the board for Olympics just now have it. If you want to see the races, you can go on the official Olympic pages. You can check out NBC, I think is one of them. Sportsmax. TVJ should have some footage. They should be replaying because they actually are the official broadcasters for Jamaica. And you also can go on, oh, I mentioned Sportsmax, BBC. So there are a few options there for you to watch the races if you missed it or if you want to rewatch. All right, so we have so much fun coming up for you. Content every week. More than likely, every Sunday. We'll do some more sports events. We do have some big things coming our way as it relates to cricket. So let's look out for that. And a few other sports events, local and international. We're going to be sharing some history, some heritage, some travel, some culture. And anything else that you want us to share, just let us know in the comments. All right. No, we read a very interesting comment from Emmanuel Ako. He said, there are 1.2 billion women on the earth, ages 18 to 38. Roughly 450,000 of them are in Jamaica. So that's like 0.04%. Yet Jamaica has the three fastest women in the Olympics. That is the most impressive track performance thus far in Tokyo 2020. So Jamaicans, big up yourself, Elaine. Big up yourself, Shelly, Sharika, Brianna, Candice, Janifa, Renisha. Big up on yourself because woman, we good like that. Of course, big up the men, big up Hansel, big up Ronald, big up everyone who took part in the Olympics. Whether or not you medal, we love you, and we did it for you, and we are root for you, and we support you throughout every event. Alright guys, so that's it for tonight. Have a wonderful night. We'll look out for your comments and we'll chat soon. Alright? Stay blessed, stay upful, and have a great night or day. Look later.